So in doing a system analysis, I first like to meet with the client initially to get a feel for what they're looking for if they're having issues in the system. And then from there, I go into every module one by one, looking at how it's configured, what dimensions they're using, how they're being used, if they're being used, and try to see what kind of outside services they use, just trying to identify any inefficiencies or things that we might be able to help them do better. Or if I've found in my initial meeting that there are issues they're having, I'll delve a little deeper in those areas to try to identify if there's ways that we might be able to improve their use of the system and help them have a better experience, if you will, because sometimes people are just struggling with using the system. And then there's other cases where they've used the system for a longer period of time, and I'm looking at to see if there's things that need to be reconfigured, and then just see where it goes from there.